Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say all of the measure them under the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, done today. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say him ask him cabinet member them who did their Shenseea album launch without a mask for pay $100,000 each. Police lock up 19 people yesterday morning in a one police and soldier operation were do in a guard pen St. Catherine. Olympians Brianna Williams and Sherika Jackson reached a semi-final at the women's 60 meter at the World Athletics Indoor Championship in Belgrade, Serbia today. Now for the full tour of them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say all of the measure them under the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, done today. This means a curfew done and the gathering limit done. Mr. Holness said this yesterday afternoon when he did a talk about the budget debate in the House of Representatives. Mr. Holness said although the measure them done, the pandemic not over and people need to be careful. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said him asked him cabinet member them who did their Shenseea album launch without a mask for pay $100,000 each. Him said the money for go to one charity for help people who did go against the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA. Mr. Holness said the politician them did frighten for Shenseea so them forget them sense. Him said him asked Minister Grange who did avant fear mass for collect the money. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark and Floyd Green and Dr. Horace Chang did the album launch. The Transport Authority put on hold for give out 45 route taxi license in Portland after the minibus driver them start cost. The license would make taxi run from Port Antonio to Buff Bay route. One meeting keep Wednesday night and Willard Hilton, who are the managing director for the Transport Authority, so them are going to put off to give out the license for 1 month while them looking at things some more. Today, Mr. Hilton are going to meet with the taxi man them. Monday gone, the bus driver them did a cost because the Transport Authority did give the license to the taxi man them. Police lock up 19 people yesterday morning in a one police and soldier operation were do in a guard pen St. Catherine. According to the police report, around 6 a.m. them search one house in the community and find one Winchester rifle. One man did that in the house and the police said them are going to charge him. Police put out the name of the man who them say rape people who get fined dead Wednesday at Morant Bay Police Station in St. Thomas. The man at 27 years old, Stephen Anderson, who come from Erie Castle in the parish. The Morant Bay Police did lock up Mr. Anderson Tuesday cause them say him rape people. Them find him hanging in cell around 7 p.m. Them say him use some clothes for hang himself. Now for sports. Olympians Brianna Williams and Sherika Jackson reach a semi-final at the women's 60 meter at the World Athletics Indoor Championship in Belgrade, Serbia today. Williams clocked one personal best at 7.06 seconds for win fair heat in the fastest time. The semi-final them are going to run 12:15 p.m. today, Jamaica time. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.